like we got fire. That wood should burn for a good while. Let's get to cooking. I haven't even had this camp up for like an hour, and spiders are already attaching themselves out here. Alright, so like I said, red pepper, ooh la la, some butter, brought some cheese, the eggs I was talking about. I just cut them right out of the thing and duct taped it closed. That seemed to have worked pretty well. Oh, I forgot I brought bacon, so I brought bacon too. Heck yeah. Good choice, Lou. Some garlic, cause flavor. The squash. Probably just cut that down and saute that with the butter and garlic and peppers. The steak, it's still a little frozen. Maybe. Let's see, bottom round steak. Great for pan frying. Bam. That's what we're doing, is pan frying, so heck yes. Man. Oh boy. This is already proving to be more difficult than I thought it was going to be. But should have brought a cutting board, but I know for next time, right? Then I'm just gonna hopefully be able to just cut right through that. I think that's plenty of garlic right there. I'm just going to chop that up a little bit more, a little bit finer. Alright, garlic's in there. Bam, garlic, garlic. Sweet. Alright, now we got left is the pepper. Just gonna open this bad boy up, just like that. Now it's open. Going to get that bacon started. Won't need much butter in there, just a little bit. Thin shaving of butter. El Dunzo. That piece is for the goose. Alright guys, I've got the bacon cooking. It's time for the beer. This is a Frostbite Black IPA. It's by Foothills Brewery out of Winston-Salem, North Carolina. It's a seasonal beer, and man, I love this beer. So good. I should probably get that. I can't reach it right now. But, yeah. So like I said, Foothills Brewing. It's a seasonal Frostbite Black IPA. Oh wow. I'm gonna flip the bacon real quick. Hold on. So today was an experience. It rained all day. This isn't a bad setup. I feel like I am weatherproofed for the most part. Firewall's pretty nice. I'm definitely enjoying that. But, oh, I brought popcorn too. A little video up. Oh, hey Goose. What's up? But, I might even use that beer as like a reduction. Just to give some flavor. And then mount it with some butter to really like make a thick sauce to go in with the tortillas. Oh yeah, that's gonna be bomb. Alright guys, I've only got maybe like 1.5 more pieces of bacon I gotta render the fat out of. Then I'll be able to drop the garlic in there, add the peppers, the squash, start cooking that up. Then I'm gonna julienne the steak and put some seasoning on them, and then cook it in with everything that I just mentioned. And then I'm just gonna spread some cheese on a tortilla. That's the bacon sizzling. Make some noise. Louder for the ones in the back. Yeah. So yeah, we're cooking out here at the base camp. So this is sweet, man. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Whoa. Alright guys, I was cutting the meat, and I cut it into like, I said I was going to julienne it. I didn't julienne it. I wound up cutting it into little pieces like this. Pretty similar sized pieces. And I think I'm just going to get a hard sear on all the sides, and then I'm going to braise it. And let it braise for a little while. They're smaller pieces, so they won't have to braise for very long. But I really want that meat to just be tender. And I've got some seasoning I'm going to put in with it. And I'm going to braise it with the garlic so I don't have to worry about burning the garlic. And then that garlic flavor will really just get in there. And still going to saute the squash and pepper because I like that charred pepper taste, and squash is pretty good when it's been hit with high heat. I didn't bring any vinegar to hit the pan with after it's done sauteing, but like I said, I think I'm just going to use the beer, deglaze. It's going to be sweet. Hit it with some butter. Ooh, actually, even better, use the... Oh, something just made a crazy noise. Oh, wow. Okay, so I can braise the steak in with the beer and a little bit of water, obviously. I'm not going to use all the beer because, come on. And then when I'm done using that liquid, I can reduce it down and make a sauce out of that. And that should be great. Man, you can just hear that thing sizzling. So what I've done is I've gotten a good sear on a majority of all the sides of these pieces. See, everything's looking quite nice in there. It looks a lot better in person. And what I'm doing is I've filled this halfway with beer and halfway with water. If you can see, yeah, you can see right there, that's a piece of garlic. I've got lots of garlic in there. Hey, cut that out. Molly's getting impatient over here. I guess I would too. And that's the last bit of steak I gotta put on. You see it trying to flash that grease on fire. That's letting me know it's gotten a little hot over there, but it's alright. Just gonna add everything in there. There it is. That's the good stuff. Just let her go. Ooh, I can smell that almost instantly. Oh, wow. I'm going to put the same seasoning that I put on the beef on the veggies. Man, that smells good. Oh man, that smells really good. Let's try and get this butter on the bottom so it'll melt. Oh yeah. Oh, lost one. I'll mix this up. Make sure it's evenly coated. And once I get some good enough heat. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh buddy. Look at that. Man, I don't even have to mount it with butter. That's beauty right there. Holy cow. Whew. Whew. I'm just gonna reach in, grab, and dump. Look at that. So this is dinner, guys. Beef's on there, melted the cheese, a little sprinkle of the mix that I made earlier. Oh my goodness. This is wonderful. Oh my god, I forgot the egg, guys. Oh my goodness. Hold on one second. Jesus. Oh yeah. Alright. That egg was the business. It's got a piece of that bacon too. Goodness gracious. I don't need anything else. This is good. This is it. Man. Whew. This is delicious. Someone is patiently waiting.